Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 tips to shop safely on Temu. So is Temu legit? Yeah, the answer is yes. Temu is a legitimate online marketplace that offer low-cost products from Chinese supplier. It's owned by PDD Holdings, the same company behind the Pinduoduo, a major Chinese e-commerce platform. And here are the 4 tips to shop safely on Temu. So let's get started. So the first thing is you have to read the reviews and check ratings. Always check buyer's review with photos before purchasing, and also avoid items with low rating or no reviews at all. Just avoid those products. And also you can also beware of unrealistic price. So if a deal seems too good to be true, it might be a scam. So avoid volume high value electronics or branded items, as they could be a knockoff. And also use secure payment method. So pay with PayPal or credit card for added fraud protection. And also avoid saving payment details in the app. And also check the return policy. Temu offer free returns within 90 days on most items. And also always read the refund condition before buying. And these tips will definitely help you to to shop safely on Temu. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.